The chuck key holder allows you to secure the chuck key to the cord so it is readily available when you change drill bits. The holder is made of flexible plastic. Over time, the holder will fatigue and break off. Replacing the chuck key holder is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Your new chuck key holder is simple to install. If the old chuck key holder is still attached to the cord, you can just simply cut it away with a utility knife. To install the new chuck key holder, I'll place it over the cord and pull it until it's on the location of the cord where I want it to be, roughly 2/3 of the way up the cord. Once I have the holder located where I want it on the cord, I just pull it through itself. And I want to make sure I pull these tabs through the eyelet. They'll hold it secure. Then I just press the end of the chuck key into the holder, and it's ready to use. And that's how simple it is to install a new chuck key holder on your drill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.